So use it to know which type of data type it is. Which type of, many times we have seen this is set data type means every time set, list, tuple, they will be considered as an objects. Okay, so once set is an object, it is part of a class. Okay, so you need to understand that, you need to refer that oops concepts. For that you already have that is what you go for. Many classes I have conducted over oops concepts. You can go for my recorded videos, they have been kept in my channel. You go there, I already have shared my link. Within this many classes I have conducted, you go there for playlist, you will get here. This is the Java full course English, this is Python full course English. If you click on Python, you will get all the, okay, you will get all my classes. These are many classes, okay, I have conducted. If you want to know about the classes and objects, you need to go for oops concepts. So many classes I have conducted over, free classes in June, and I started to teach these programming classes very freely. I have since January 2023. Okay, one successfully 1 year completed. So I promise you that these classes will be conducted very freely up to my last breath. Okay, and so here you need to suppose that if you want to understand the Python from basic level, first of all you need to start with the data types. For data types, then variables in Python. Okay, so this is the second chapter. You need to variables in Python, data types first you need to study, after that variables in Python, then data types part 2. Next you need to understand little bit over variables, variables in Python, global variables in Python. So whenever you understand about variable, global variable in Python, you need to come to the oops concepts. Okay, oops concepts in Python: method, function, class, object, class attributes. And then you need to convert type conversion or typecasting. So under the oops concepts, method, function, class, object, class attributes, then you need to understand in variables, instance variables, local variables, and class variables. What is the difference between instance variable, local variable, class variables? So like that you understood that. Otherwise take my number 9110398650. This is my number, you can call me. My number 9110398650, and simply WhatsApp me. I will give the order to where you need to study, from which topic you need to start first. This is my mobile number, you WhatsApp me, otherwise make a call to me. I will guide you to from where you need. As I told you that first you need to study data types, and then and then variables, and try to understand that variables and global variables. After that come to somewhat oops concepts, that is what class and objects, method and function. Okay, now after that instance variables, class variable, that is very important chapter. Okay, instance variables, class variables, local variables, what is the difference between. Okay, so like that you need to study step by step. Then you will build up this is what class conductor. So class, instance, local, global variables in Python, constructor. Okay, and refer somewhat websites I will provide for you, and that I will help you. So this is what one website. Here you can refer, you can learn so many languages: HTML, CSS, cascading style sheet, JavaScript, SQL, Python, Java. So you click on Python here. So we are studying sets. So under the sets, how to create the sets. Okay, set items. Sets are unordered, unchangeable, duplicates not allowed. Okay, you need to understand all the topics. One more website is that you go for, that is what Java T point. So comparison of Java T point and that is what Java T point. So you come here, you need to come here home. Here you check back that where is your Python. This is the Python. You click here. Under this you can, so here lot of topics you can understand all the topics. So here, so if you understand, you are going to understand that he lists tuples, sets. Today we are trying to understand the tuples. Okay, whenever you click on this, so in comparison to W3 schools, Java tpoint.com little bit somewhat difficult, and he will give a deep matter, deep material. So you go there. Okay, Python sets, creating a set, how to create the set. So sets will be declared under curly braces. Okay, as I told you that, and after that come down here and using set method. This is, I told you, that constructor. Just I have used it in my programming. Here I have used that constructor. We can where is that constructor method, set empty set without values, any data here. This is the constructor method. Okay, I have used it here. Set method that is called the set constructor to create a set. Same thing we have here, that is called using set method to create a set by set method. Okay, then after here square bracket, flower brackets used. No need to use the flower brackets. Simply you, okay, no need to use. In my program I have not used it here any. Simply I have put the values set under the set method. Under the, this is the empty set. After that, if you want to create a where is that set set, okay, where is that set. This is what set method, by that set method. So you can create this, suppose where one is a variable, otherwise set 1, set 5, set 6. Okay, now use set method within this double brackets. Okay, so now you write all that values, 10 comma 20 comma, okay, 2. Now it is what now normally what happen, your set will be declared in double flower brackets. Here no need to keep flower brackets. Okay, that is the use of set method, set constructor. Now if you print, if you want to know this type of brackets, set 6. Okay, now try to understand this. Now you here you can get it as a set, even though you have not mentioned flower braces. Okay, now you simply can find out that it is what, it is a set without keeping up your flower braces. We will meet on Saturday. Okay.